Hello! Today is bathroom day, which means that I am going to start on the bathroom. And the good thing about the bathroom is that we like everything in here. We love the wallpaper, we love the vanity, the sink. A friend of ours helped us replace right away because the other sink, like the pipes exploded underneath, so it got all messed up, so he replaced that for us. The toilet we're going to be replacing just with something really similar, but the only thing that is an issue in here is the shower. And I don't like these shower doors. Like you know what? When I first saw them, I was like, ew, those gotta go right away. But then as I've been like here a lot and looking at them, they have actually grown on me, which is hilarious. I feel like anything, if I'm around it long enough, eventually it'll grow on me, or I'll be like, you know what? Maybe I like that aesthetic. But no, we are gonna get rid of them. And we're gonna have a shower curtain instead because I like shower curtains a lot more. It's just, there's a lot of things that both Gavin and I just like a lot more about shower curtains. The shower itself, we are still figuring out what to do with it. So that's gonna be maybe an ongoing project. We don't like hate the pink tile, but I'm a little bit worried that it's not waterproof anymore because it's like bowing in certain places. I don't know, it's confusing in there. It's a little bit weird. So we might have to tear it all out, but it would be awesome if we didn't have to do that. But we're gonna get some friends to help us look at it and see what they think. I watched a YouTube video that explained how to take out a shower door like this, and it seemed easy, almost too easy. So we'll see if that is accurate. Okay, need a screwdriver. So just like the nice man in the video said, it was very quick and easy. I think that was only 15 minutes, actually, which is kind of crazy. There's still a lot of silicone on the tiles, so I'm not gonna take too much time to try and get it off because again, we don't know if we're gonna be redoing this or not. It would be really cool if we didn't have to redo this now. You know how in AI images, the tiles like don't really line up? They're kind of like, the lines are like weird. That's what, this looks like an AI image. Because you're so impressive. Look at that. Comment. Distribution. Comment. So impressive.
So impressive. Okay, yeah, scrub it really good so it must be deeper.
I'm gonna try again. Oh, I'm glad I got it. You always have Gooby Gone. In my 6-month house update video, I said that we had friends who know things about bathroom renovations come in and give us their input on what we should do, and one person said to tear it out now, one person said to leave it until we're brainstormed more or sure about what we wanted to do. And I asked you guys what your thoughts were, and I think it was pretty unanimously to leave the tiles as they are until a later time, since the shower is usable as long as we could silicone it. My friend Abby came over and helped me scrub it clean and prep it for that process. Abby! It's beautiful!
It's not done.
Oh my god, yeah, but I could shower in there and not be scared.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, don't mess with the poison ivy again.
Dude, I know, right?
Hello, it's another day in the bathroom, and today the goal is to get the yellow out of the tiles here, put up this tension rod, which we just got last night, and put up the shower curtain liner, and scrub the mold out of this closet. I sprayed the mold with Moldex, and it looks like that helped a lot, but I need to get in there and scrub. And then I need to paint all of the trim because it's looking a little scary, and that vent that I was scrubbing, I need to repaint that. We'll see how much of that I do today, because I also am trying to work on the stick pile outside because it really bothers Gavin, the stick pile. And we can't move in yet because of the kitchen. So this is not like it has to be done today, but I'm gonna try and get a bunch done. I remember when my mom got these. These are little bird rings from, I think she got them from Home Goods. I remember being with her. I don't have rings, and that's why I just saw these in her house in this cup, and they've been in this cup for like 5 years. So I took them. They're not like the best. I mean, they're obviously like funny, but I mean, they're also cute. They're not the you know, whatever. The other night, Gavin and I got this liner. It's a Clorox liner, and it's like mildew resistant. I have this shower curtain that I got from IKEA, I think 2 years ago. Gavin and I have been using it in the bathroom that we've been using at my parents' house. I'm not saying that this is a perfect fit for the design of the bathroom, but I will say that there is some blue in the wallpaper, and there's blue and pink on this shower curtain. Honestly, I really actually like how this looks. I know it's like kind of basic because it's just like IKEA, but I don't know. I liked this pattern a lot when I saw it in IKEA, and that's why I bought it. I was like, Swiss chard. It looks good in here. I did not finish cleaning the bathroom or painting the trim or caulking the cracks in the shower, but I just wanted to do something fun. Which this is fun, but I need to do the hard stuff too. So there's some weird wires in this closet that I need to ask my electrician. I want to close this hole up that the wires are coming out of so that no mice get in here, because there were some mouse traps in this closet and I don't want mice to continue thriving in here. I just finished siliconing the shower, all the cracks and such. It doesn't look awesome because the silicone is like kind of see-through, so it like doesn't cover up the yellow and the black and the weirdness, but at least I know it's waterproof, and that's what we wanted out of that. So they definitely siliconed it maybe a couple times before I just did, so somebody else did the same thing before. So wherever it looks bad or gunky, that's the silicone that was already there. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. In this section there was a little towel holder here, like a little silver bar, and it was like duct taped together, so we took that out. But now I would like to have a sort of towel holder, just like a hand towel holder here. There is this that's under the mirror, and it's just a very weird spot. I think that I'll probably put something small that could be like a face one once we actually move in, because that is kind of a good spot for a face towel actually. For a hand towel, I think I'll put one over here. We have this that I got out of the kitchen while we were demoing it. This was the paper towel holder, and there's a lot of wood in here, like the toilet paper holder is wood, this is wood, and I think having like more wood elements is kind of nice. So I know it's not like really long, but I feel like it's good for this space. You can hold that. This is the last thing I'll do, and then we can go.
Isn't that a toilet paper, a paper towel holder?
Yeah.
From the kitchen?
Yeah. Bam! Look at that.
Pretty cool. We need a new towel though.
Yeah, I know. That
Pretty
was
gross.
trashy. Okay, where's the string?
Hey!
Thank you.
There were longer ones. Magnifique.
Cool. Yeah, I like that. Just last week, I was frolicking under the cherry blossoms and flying a kite with a t-shirt on, but now it's back to wearing double layers of wool because Maryland weather is cuckoo bananas crazy. So this is it for now for the bathroom. As you saw, it doesn't look that different from when we started, but when I look around, I can see the differences and it's pretty cool. And now the shower is usable, so we can take showers and baths. But just like all these little fixes, and we are also going to replace the toilet. I never show you guys the inside of the toilet because it's terrifying to look at. We had to get our water treated and it had a lot of iron, so the inside of all the toilets and wherever water was touching is like crazy red brown sludge kind of situation. So you don't need to see that, but eventually we'll change out the toilet. I really like that the color scheme in here now is sort of blue, pink, yellow, and brown, and a little green. I know that's a lot of colors, but, oh, and white. But kind of sticking within that color scheme, like not venturing outside of that, I think works really well. The art that Gavin and I chose to go in here speaks back to that color scheme, and I think it works really well with this pink, blue, and beige wallpaper. I didn't paint this closet door because I'm still thinking about what exactly I want to do here. The top of it is really cool. It has an awesome carved wood piece, and it would be cool to sort of bring attention to that somehow. And again, you know, the shower curtain, I like the shower curtain in here. It is fun, but I don't think it's like the ultimate shower curtain. And of course shower curtains can be switched out, but I like the idea of maybe more of an earthy brown for the shower curtain. Maybe like a plaid or a check to kind of speak to the floor pattern, which I love. I love this floor. The rug that we put in here was at my parents' house. It was kind of like folded up in a random corner in the attic. It's wool, and it's definitely like shrunken wool. I don't know what it used to be, but I like that it's the really pale blue, and I think it works well with the wallpaper, the floor, and the curtain. So that's all for now. It's definitely not done. Like around the window, there is a kind of gap of wallpaper, and there's places where wallpaper is peeled off. The door needs to be painted still, and obviously, eventually, we would like to redo the tiles because the tiles are not in great shape. I mean, you saw. You know. I'm thankful to everybody who said to keep the pink tile for now and really brainstorm what you want, because otherwise we'd probably be demoing right now and that would be a whole other project and it would make it hard for us to move in. So I'm glad that we're waiting, and we're gonna come back to that when we have the means and the energy to do it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, sorry. We got our kites. Look at them. Look at our kites go. They look awesome together.
Woodloo, woodloo. The life of Rosalind is the life for